Manila Health Centers. Kasama po natin ang ating mga City Health Office, ang ating City Health Officer, Dr. Grace H. Padilla, Assistant City Health Officer, Dr. Ed Santos, 44 Health Center Heads and Pharmacists. Kasama rin po natin ang ating mga City Hospital Directors.
Mga city director yung kasama natin pag nagkasakit tayo ang hirap din ako kailan lang tatapos kong magpanapagkasa sa laboratory buti lang may card
Ladies and gentlemen, our dear Vice Mayor Chi Atienza and Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso. Kasama rin po natin ang ating mga konsehal mula District 1 hanggang District 6.
dami
Test. Narinig niyo? Test. 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 You. Si Test talaga. Saan ba si Test? Anyway, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. That's why I asked for San Nicolas. Remember when I visited your falls?
false
Waterfalls.
andun tayo nun
I think that's the most beautiful health center in the world. Because you go to the health center, you feel the nature. There is waterfalls at Amag. So very organic. I'm sorry I have to shut it down because for your own good as frontliners. Hindi po pwedeng minuto hinihigop ng baga ninyo yung Amag. Magkakasakit kayo. And I feel sorry for you because it was like that. It is like that for so many years unattended. So that's why, despite at that time, ang tanging puhunan ko lang ay lakas ng loob na i-shut down, i-design, kahit wala akong pera, i-design nyo na, ayusin na, maganda na, and I'm happy to inform you tomorrow is the groundbreaking of the renovation of the entire San Nicolas.
wow
At yung nawalang Pamana Health Center, nawala. Ginawang barangay hall, nawala ako. Parang it's supposed to be health center. In a matter of few days, you'll hear from me. Because recently we submitted a design to DOH and I think it was approved already by DOH. So it's going to be, I think, one of the biggest health center in the city of Manila. Nagtagay ako ng extra services para yung buong Dampa, Bacood, Santa Mesa, lalo masyadong matamis magmahal. Sa sobrang tamis ng pagmamahal,
Diabetes yun.
diabetes ang I think we were approved to put up a facility na yung mga taga Maynila need not to go to Santa Ana Hospital Dialysis Center, Hospital ng Maynila, and Gat Andres. So kung taga-Dula sila sa area, wala na silang TOSGAS. Pagbawasan yung what you call the 0 mile. Actually, doorstep away. So, rest assured kayong mga taga 44 health centers na namamahala, you have my full trust and confidence. Mananatili kayo dyan, kampanan ninyo ang inyong trabaho, kung malasakit ninyo. Mahirap talaga ang pera natin, but I'll make sure that things that you need, things that we need to deliver will be made available in our respective offices. Kasi kayo talaga ang frontline ng healthcare. Dalawang bagay yan. Bago pumunta sa ospital at pagkatapos pumunta sa ospital. Okay, sa akin napunta. Now, we have the Vice Mayor here and members of the City Council. I invited them and of course your Director of Manila Health Department, Director Grace Padilla, because I'm happy listening to your requests. Some of you have requested tools and equipment from your health center. Gusto ko naman maramdaman nyo lang na may tainga ang liderato ng ating lungsod na unti-unti pinipilit ipagbuti yung gastusin and try to address as many requests as we can. As cash coming in, we spend efficiently, being converted into services. I hope today I can put a smile in your faces. Teka muna, na-disgrasya nyo na ba yung December? Masaya ba? Masaya ba kayo? Happy naman yung mga atabs nyo. Yung mga BHW nyo, masaya din. Basta pumanatag kayo, I will do my best. What is due for you will be given to you. If there is extra, I will give it to you. Yung may pera dyan na minamanage namin. Two things. One for the employee, and one for the facility. I will try to really manage it well para walang may iwan. Kasi yun yung katimiran ko. Ewan ko kung tama. I may be wrong, pero ito sinabi ng nanay ko sa akin. Hindi ko lang kung sinabi rin sa inyo ito ng magulang. Mahirap magaling-galingan sa kapitbahay mo, sa loob ng bahay mo. Hindi mo tinutugunan ang responsibilidad. Kasi, di ba, may mga politiko na mahilig lang sa pero kayo na may napapabayaan. Pagkamat hikawis tayo. Pero we'll make sure again and again, ito parang silang plaka to because it's my challenge as your player to really manage yung yung marapat sa empleyado. Kasi ang gusto kong intindihin nyo na lang yung paano tayo makapaglingkod na may puso ng masaya. Alam mo, may portion sa buhay mo na masaya-masaya ka naglilingkod sa kapwa. Kasi yung gobyerno pinagtatrabaho mo parang sinasandal sa palit. Kumbaga, may kapanatagang ka na things are being addressed. So, muli, isa namang patuloy magdinig ng inyong mga kahilingan. Kung marami kayong hiling. Hindi dahil sa personal lang ninyo. Kasi ang alam ko, kaya ka humihiling ng mga gamit kasi gusto maging efficiente sa pagluluto. Kaya rest assured, the good news about you guys, there's one good news about it, you're always in the radar. Because this government, the city government, will continue to invest in MBN, minimum basic needs. MBN. Ano yung MBN? Ano nasa loob niya? Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Yan. Malaking bulto ng pananalapi ng pamahalaan galing sa taong bayan ay ilalaan to address this. Because if we are going to be successful addressing this, hindi yayaman sa atin ng tao at wala namang gobyernong kayang payamanin ng tao, but the quality of life, yung kalidad ng pamumuhay, maayos. Because we are addressing the basic needs of our people. Kaya, maswertihan nyo kayo mga taga-MHT. Dito nakatuon ang pamahalaan. So kahit gano'ng maliit, yung resources, malaking pie ng maliit na resources will go to this basic services or MBN. I-research nyo. Scientifically proven yan in the past when you try to run a government or make it function. This will ito yung nararamdaman ng tao. Ngayon, kung may nakikita tayong ilaw, bulaklak, halaman, yun yung betching. Pampasarap sa paghuli ng kriminal, o yan yung mga betching na. Yan yung day-to-day. Pero the biggest portion is to invest to the people. Yan ang purpose ng MBN. But today, for the meantime, I'm excited to listen and fulfill your request. We are going to deliver 100 ECG machine. Kasi pag binibisita ko kayo sa center, pag natsatsambahan ko, may scotch tape na yung iba ninyong ECG machine. At least you have now extra, dalawa bawat isang health center, 44 of you. Tapos may tatabi pa tayong counting na tira. Kung may nasira, magpatagal kasi ang acquisition. Tapos, napapansin ko, MS-DOS pa yata yung mga computer natin. Ano ako na, minsan hindi ko lang kapasi, pero dadama ko. Kaya, we are going to deliver 100 laptops, 2 per laptop center. 100 printers. Sana hindi tayo bumalik sa problema na wala kayong pupunta. I know. Nalalitaan mo din yun. Na hindi pupunta. Wala kayong. I'll try. I'll do my best. Basta itong mga tools na ito, at least magamit man lang ninyo for efficiency of services. Kasi sana kayo, inabala ko kayo. Gusto ko lang kayo ma-meet lahat. Kasi iba sa inyo na-meet ko na eh. Pero quarantine 4 yan. Basta steady lang kayo sa gate B. Magkikita-kita rin tayo sa finals. Magbubuti ako. So I'm happy to deliver what you have requested, most of you. And empower those who are already matagdagan. Rest assured that the medicines, we are crafting now another form of services not only for your regular constituency, but also in the community. Niyawa ang Diyos. We're just trying to coordinate it with PhilHealth. Maybe if it is possible and feasible. Ikalulugod niya to. Kasi na-testing na namin to sa ano eh. Na-testing na namin itong sistema ko sa Baseco Hospital. Yung Baseco Hospital, kasi ninyo sa Baseco, wala pa kayo narinig na pumasok sa hospital ngayon, functioning as OPD, not yet as the entire hospital, kasi parating pa rin mga makina nila. But I'm happy to share to you DBM approval already, the ordinance passed, the creation of plantilla. So we are about to implement it. Kaya napansin nyo, nag-post na ba kayo ng hiring? Nag-post na kayo, no? Mga hiring. Pansin nyo, hiring na doon. Doktor, nurses, so ano tayo talaga, tuloy-tuloy na yung progreso. But for the meantime, ewan ko kung may napapansin kayo. May isa tayong sistema doon, lagi isang iwan ka mo. At pag-uwi, may gamot. If that is possible to one side, which we are testing it with a volume of stakeholders, nakaka-200-300 sila isang araw na OPD. Yung talagang grabe. Pero kasi ninyo, lagi silang may natatamasa. Hindi lang reseta ang nakukuha nila. Mukhang mape-perfect natin yun. If that can be done to the biggest, I think that will be next to the next one will be the Pamana. But if that thing can be done to large community, what more sa So yun yung pinag-aaralan namin ngayon. Itong bagay na to, walang expired, walang may expired. Hindi mo sabihin, laging fresh yung supply. Walang expired, walang may expired, walang masasayang. Laging fresh yung stocks. So, tapos available on a particular sets of medicines as per direction and guidance of DOH and PhilHealth. Yung linyada nila, ako siguro familiar na rin kayo dyan sa listahan na 21, pero hindi lang 21 yun. Yun lang yung initial. 74 yata rin. 64, 75 items. 75 items. Just imagine, may awa ang Diyos. Patuloy lang tayong pagkatiwalaan ng taxpayer. Can you imagine 75 items will be available? In a good day, yun ang wishful thinking natin. But for the meantime, that wishful thinking is waiting only for escalation because it's being done already perfectly, almost perfect, that any John Doe's and Mary, yung pumapasok, ay pag-uwi talagang ang ngiti, paabot na ng tenga, kagpas na ng pisngi. So, if we can do that, replicate that system, ako siguro, iba sa inyo, 30 years na ito, 40 years na sa service. You'll see something that is... So, for now, we wish, but when we wish, we plan, we create, and if it is effective, we scale. Second, natutuwa ba kayo sa mga alaga ninyong 3-4 years old? Napasin niyo ba, nabawasan kayo ng pasyente ng bubuhin, sipunin? Alam niyo bakit? May your milk sila. O pinaliligo nila gata sa araw-araw. Every other day. 3 times a week. Now, the good news, if I may share this to you, because constituency rin yan yan din yung nagpapacheck up, yung pag nakakuha sila ng tamang sustansya, protina, calcium, and so on and so forth. At the age which you know better than me, mas alam nyo to kaysa sa akin, yung stunting and nutrition ng particular group, set of kids, group age. Pag na puhunanan natin yun, o mas magiging malusog yung mga bata. Ang good news ngayon, we are going to escalate. We're going to scale up. From 21,000 targets, we're going to make it in the coming months. Piniprepare namin yung CHAPE